To my YouTube channel, and this particular video, let's talk about this particular project called ChainPhon. So if you are still mining this particular project with me now and you log in, you will see a particular different interface currently now. You will see that we have the aspect of KYC now. Like what they actually said in the last post, which they actually was that KYC for the mainnet, yes, is actually coming up, and it is actually now. So we are close to hitting our 4,000 watch hour. Please don't forget to like, share, click on the bell notifications to get notified to upload any video. I want to join my WhatsApp community. It is free of charge. I'm dropping the link in the description of this particular video. So you can see now that currently I have over 16,146.19 token. This is just a test net token. The mainnet is actually coming up, and what's thing, if they're able to come through with what they actually say they are going they are actually building, they will be one of the most beautiful project because of this particular feature, which is the phone pay feature. But that is not what we are actually going through. This particular video is all about how you're able to do your KYC. Look at this now. They say ChainPhon KYC has been successfully added. Log in daily to protect the ecosystem from automated farming bots and mass created accounts. So let me show you the information they actually dropped on their Telegram group. So this particular information was dropped on February 15, and this is information that it actually enters now. Look at it now. The ChainPhon KYC is now available. The KYC phase for ChainPhon testnet blockchain is now live. This process features fully anonymous on-chain verification where testnet miners are required only to confirm. Look at what we are required to confirm. Only to confirm their testnet PHO20 address. To protect the mainnet currency phone from automated farming bots and mass created accounts, we have integrated a login strike requirement in the KYC phase to ensure that the distribution of phone coin is allocated exclusively to genuine ChainPhon's miners. Visit the KYC page in the ChainPhon app to complete your verification today. If you mine during the testnet phase, drop your PHO20 address in the comments. So now let's go back. Now this is the address. What we need to do is that they say we have to copy our phone address. Then we come to this particular aspect, which is the receive. We tap on it. You will see say address copy to clipboard. Then I tap on OK. Then the next thing I have to do is to tap on this particular aspect of KYC. Let's see what they got. Yes, you can see now it says anonymous on-chain compliance verification KYC module testnet. It's the same testnet to mainnet transaction. This is my main phone balance locked onto KYC completion, and this is my testnet. So they say I have 2 days strike, and I've been logging in every day. So maybe because I haven't done my KYC, let me input it now. Initiate KYC verification. They are initiating. It is scanning. So let me tap on continue and see. So I actually do not understand what particular people actually mean now. They say daily completed. They say day out of 48, and I've actually been logging in on the daily. They so look at it now. They say please continue daily login to unlock mainnet KYC eligibility. So let me just tap on understood, and let me just give it the next 48 days and keep on logging because I don't know why it is actually showing me that it is actually 2 days. So check yours to see if your KYC eligibility actually went through. So this is what I have for you. Please can you like, share, click on the bell notification to get notified to upload another video like this. Thank you and bye bye for now.